Going over to number 12, here there's a lot of stuff going on with percents. Here we have a percent of something, whereas here we have a percent change, a percent off by something. And there's a big difference between the two. So let's talk about that. If you're increasing or decreasing something by a percent, you start at 100% and then you increase or decrease from there. So if we're taking a percent off of something, in this example, starting at 100, going down by 25, that gets you to a new percent. And then from there, you put it in decimal form. So to say I'm taking 25% off of something means I'm multiplying it by 0.75. And on this question, when we take 80% off of something, that'll mean we're multiplying it by 0.20. So starting with the wholesale price, which we're being told is 7. Then the question tells us that there's a retail price, and that retail price is 290% of some amount. So 290%, that's not a common percent. Let's start with something common. For example, if we had 56% in decimal form, that would be like saying 0.56, because you take the decimal and you simply move it over 2 spaces. So now for 290%, on the other hand, that would be 2.90, because we would similarly take the decimal and move it over 2 spaces. So the retail is 290% of 2.9 times the wholesale price, which is 7. And 2.9 times 7 is 20.3. Then we're being told that the remaining are marked down at 80% off. So just like we said before, you would start at 100. From there, you could go up by 80 or down by 80. Up by 80 would make it 180%. Down by 80 would make it 20%. And putting them both in decimal form, you'd have 0.20 or 1.80. So 80% off is the same as multiplying by 0.20. So we'll take the 20.3 and we'll multiply it by 0.20, and that's going to give us the discounted price that the question is looking for. So on a calculator, 20.3 times 0.2 gives you 4.06, and that's our answer for this question.